Hi, this is David from Cheshire Car Sales and Crew, and I've just taken out the front two grills on our 2017 4 Series convertible. I've purchased some beautiful double high gloss black grills there. They are the original grills. We've now taken them out. Very simple to do, in so much as there aren't many tools you need. You only need a T27, a T25 torque screwdriver. I call it a screwdriver. And what you'll find is you'll need to remove this strip here, which sits across this rubber strip across the front of the car. Just peel that back, and then that will reveal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 T27. Just unscrew those, and on the 4 Series you've got 2 T25s, one there and one corresponding on the other side. Now I just sort of put them up there so they're not going to go and get lost, and I'll put the T27s, T25s on this side here. Just pop them in there so they don't roll around and lose themselves. And obviously the only thing I would say is do take them off gently so as not to drop them down here, otherwise you'll be screaming. So we'll just move those two things out of the way as well, put them up there. So what you then find with the BMWs is that the fastenings of the grills, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now the bottom ones push up, the side ones push inwards, and the top ones push down. Those are the bits that you need to push down on. So bear that in mind, because the next step I'm going to show you is once you've taken all the screws out, this, and you see it just moves a long way, and you can get your finger or your hands in and just go behind where you need to go and push, or push inwards on the sides, push upwards on the lower, and just push them out of these fixings here. Can you see these here? That's where the locators are on the side, both sides. Once you've got one out, so I always tend to go for the driver's side one. Once you've got the one out, then you'll be able to get your hand in a lot easier here onto the second one. These are the ones that we've chosen, and they just make the vehicle just that little bit nicer, more modern. It's the way that the cars are going these days, isn't it, with the high gloss black. So that will finish that off really nicely. Then we have a lower high gloss black M Sport lip spoiler to go here, which will be beautiful. So that's how easy it is. It took me about 20 minutes because it's just a little bit fiddly to get your hands into the space, but you do not have to remove the bumper. You literally just have to remove the top screws, bring the bumper forward. Just let me move this in case it falls out. Oh, another good tip is when you're fitting the new grille, just offer some washing up liquid or a little bit of grease, or Vaseline. Even Vaseline's fine. No jokes about Vaseline, please. Just put some Vaseline on it just to ease it in, and we'll be cleaning off around here obviously, so we'll clean this off and we'll give this a dust off as well here. So that's our short video. Well, it's a little bit longer than I thought, of our 17 plate 420, 1 Series, 2 Series, 3 and 4, all the same. You do not have to remove the bumpers. It's very good. So that's brilliant. So that's it. Any more tips that you've had doing yours? If there were special tools to do it, there probably is. I just use my fingers and a little bit of praying to God to get them out without slicing my fingers, but there's nothing sharp in there really, so you should be able to do it no problem. Have a fantastic day. More from us on the channel. Please do subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. We are approaching 1 million views and over 1,000 subscribers. We'd be grateful for any comments that you can you feel you want to put onto the site, anything that you might help others with. So if you found a better way to do it than this, then please let us know.